Hey guys, obviously I am not here today, but I wanted to be able to tell you a little bit about what we are going to be doing. So as you can see, if you go on the assignments page for today, we are on Oceanography Lesson 1. And if you are on Oceanography Lesson 1, then you can see that we're going to have some independent work time today where you guys are going to get about 30 to 40 minutes to work on finishing your mapping projects. Before you get started, I would like for you to make sure that you have the following things with you so that you know what it is you're going to be turning in. So what you should do is grab your rubric for the project. If you need an extra one, there are some at the front of the classroom. And then when you are at the end of independent work time today, you should be ready to turn in this, a two-dimensional map, a question sheet, an answer sheet, map profile, and then your three-dimensional map on the blue paper, which is at the front of the classroom as well. Remember that you may not make it any larger than a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So it does need to be on this one blue paper. If you're having trouble getting your key for your 3D map to fit, because you made your island a little big, you can always make a little table and put your legend on that so that it still stays within the same area. All right, so start your timers. You guys, you have 35 minutes. 35 minutes starting right now to get your things together, to finish up your project, and to make it absolutely awesome. I will see you again in 35 minutes. Okay, so you just had 35 minutes to finish your mapping project. Thank you for doing that so kindly and cleanly. Now it is time for us to move on, and you're going to turn your mapping projects in. How are you turning your mapping projects in? You should have the same items on your table that you had before. So start by grabbing your rubric. Make sure that your name is on your rubric and all the group members' names is on your rubric. Then, right behind the rubric, you're going to put your 2D map. Behind that, your questions sheet. Behind that, your answers sheet. And behind that, your map profile. Do that right now and make sure that your names are on all of them and that the title of your project is also on all of these pieces. The title of your project should also be on your 3D map. So make sure that you have all of those pieces together. Okay, so here's how you're going to put it together in one package to turn into me. You have your stack of papers with your rubric on top and your map profile on the back. Take your 3D map, which has the name of your island on it and your names on it. Then take this and make a stack. Okay, so basically it's like you're taking your pile that you made, putting it face down on the table, and put your 3D map on top of it. When you've done that, you should have a rubric on one side and a 3D map on the other side, and everything else is sandwiched in between. There are paper clips on the front table. Take one paper clip and clip your work together so that all of the pieces stay attached to your 3D map. Then you're going to take your 3D map and you're going to put it in one of the labeled boxes at the front of the classroom underneath the Promethean. Underneath the Promethean, the boxes are labeled first, second, and third block. Please make sure you put your project neatly and gently in there. At this time, you have 5 minutes to make sure that your entire project is packaged together the way that I asked and put into the box. At the end of 5 minutes, the sub is going to close the lid on the box, and anything that is not in the box at that time is going to be considered a late assignment. That's 20% off the whole project. So if you don't have it ready, just know that it either needs to be ready in the next 5 minutes and in the box, or you're gonna have to turn it in to me tomorrow or on Friday and get a penalty on your grade for not having it had done on time. Okay, so make sure that this is all done, packaged, pretty, together, ready to go, rubric, 3D math, everything in between. All right, 5 minutes to get it in the box. Then the lid's going on the box. Thanks.